Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a fade in and a fade out effect to text inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut. Now from here I'm going to create a new project, and now I'm going to choose this guy spinning a basketball on his finger to add this fade in and fade out text to. So I'm going to click on add. So here's the video. Now I want to add in some text, so I'll get back to the start of the video and then click text at the bottom of the page. Click on add text, and now put in what you want to say in the text field. And then from here, choose a font you want to use. So I've got an option to do free or pro version fonts. If you want to check out CapCut Pro for a free 7-day trial, I will leave a link in the video below. So for this video, I'm going to choose Mellow here. And now I'm going to position this text to the bottom or upper part of the video. I reckon at the bottom probably looks best here. So I've lined it up pretty much spot on. And then we can, from here, we need to go to animation. And then make sure you're on the in part. And then look for fade in. So scroll down and find fade in. Here it is here. And then go on the out. Click on out, and then the same thing, click on fade out. It's kind of near the bottom here of these options. Yep, keep scrolling down here. Fade out, yeah, it is right near the bottom, so I'm going to click fade out, and you can adjust how much you want the fade in and fade out. So with this slide at the bottom, I can move this red for 1 second or 1.5 seconds. Likewise, I can fade in for 1 second or 1.3 or 1.5, so meet in the middle. But what I might do, I might keep that one, fade in one, and then fade out 1 second. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click on the tick, and now I'll go to the start of the video and play the video. So yeah, that's it guys, how to add a fade in and fade out effect to text in CapCut. Once you're happy with your video, go ahead and export it at the top of the page here, but make sure to change the resolution so it's higher definition or HD. And another thing you can do, if you want this word to appear at the front here, for example, and you've got a longer clip and you want to do exactly the same at the end, just go ahead and copy this text or duplicate the text here. So I'm going to click on the text and click duplicate. And then move this text all the way. So click and hold it and then move it all the way to the end of the video. Try and line it up like so. And then if we press play here, you can change what you want to say in the text as well. So you got the fade in and out at the end of the video. And if you don't want to fade in, so what we can do, we can edit this text, go to style, right, and then where it says in, just go to the top and choose none, click tick, and then if we press play, it's just going to fade out. And likewise, if you just want this to fade in, click onto that, click onto style, and then on the out, choose none, and then click tick, so it's just going to fade in. And then the video, this text is going to fade out.